Welcome to Vlogmas day 7. Kind of had a rough morning, so I'll explain to you everything that's been happening. So last night when I got home from the movies, I actually imported the footage, edited Vlogmas day 6, and I thought it was like okay. I don't know really what happened, but it seemed like it was okay. Everything was edited and I was like, okay, perfect. I can just upload it when I wake up. I woke up this morning and a lot of the clips were missing. A lot of the files were like corrupted, so I couldn't export off of iMovie. It wouldn't let me, so I had to delete everything and start over. So it's almost 12 o'clock in the afternoon, and yeah, it's uploading now, but I had to like re-edit, and it's very frustrating when you have to edit 2 times. You know what I mean? And this does happen. It's just kind of part of it, but it is extremely annoying when you already have it edited and then something goes wrong and you have to like re-import the footage, re-edit, and then upload. So, but I kind of feel like nauseous from drinking the beers. I don't know. They were like pretty decent sized beers, but I only had 2. It's not like I drank like 6. But yet again, I don't really drink. So my stomach's a little bit upset this morning and I'm a little bit like foggy, and I kind of had a headache throughout the night or throughout the morning because I really didn't go to bed till like almost 2 in the morning, and I kind of had a headache. Like I woke up at 4 and my head was pounding, and I drank enough water. I feel like I did. Like I feel like I kind of had a slight hangover. Obviously I wasn't like throwing up. That's like a really real hangover in my opinion. But I think I was like a little bit hungover because I don't really drink. So when I do, I think I'm just like a lightweight now. I'm so frustrated because this happens to me a lot. I don't really keep a lot of money in my bank account. I keep it kind of low because I really just don't like putting my money in the bank. I like having my money to myself. So my account got overdrafted. This doesn't happen. Overdrafting, I don't usually like overdrawn. I overdrew my account basically because I guess things hit my account that I didn't realize were hitting my account. But the things I got charged for, I think I'm getting charged too much. Like they're charging me a lot. Alright, so I just got done getting ready. I'm not going to wear this out, these shorts. It's just really hot in my room and stuffy, and I have the window open, but this is what I like to wear when I want to be comfortable. But I'm actually like surprised for having my cheat meal and then also having the beers. I'm not that bloated today. I don't know. It's a good thing, I guess. Me and Coco's are just chilling. Oh. Vlogmas day 6 is up. 2 o'clock. I'm gonna make something for lunch. I'm probably gonna make the same thing I always make, which is fish, brown rice, and asparagus. I'm pretty hungry. I only had 1 scoop of my protein shake all day. This is second day hair. I did not curl it today. That's why I love curling my hair, because you can get 2 days out of it. I haven't even really done anything to it. I just slept on it and woke up. There's some pieces that are a little straight that I could touch up, but you can honestly get away with not really styling it. You could throw some dry shampoo in there to give it some volume, the root. But other than that, it's easy. That's why I love curling my hair. But yeah, I don't know really what I'm going to do today. I was kind of thinking about going to Ulta and getting some new products. I've been talking about getting new makeup for a while, so I think I might go to Ulta in a little bit after I make something to eat. I don't know what it is about these Gorton's ones. I've never tried the salmon Gorton's, but I don't like how it looks. It looks so processed, and there's like a bunch of white stuff on the top. I don't know if it's fat or like what it could possibly be, but anyway, I'm gonna try it. It doesn't really look too good. I don't know if I'd buy these again, but this is really surprising to say, but they actually taste a lot better than I thought. It tastes like grilled. It tastes grilled. Yeah. Signature grilled. Well, I'm gonna tell you this much. It tastes a lot more like better than I thought it would, and it really tastes grilled. So I've just been doing laundry. I changed the sheets on my bed. I have a load of laundry in the dryer, and then I'm washing the comforter. Lit my candle, turned my tree on, and I'm probably not going to go to Ulta. I was gonna go, but maybe I'll go tomorrow or Sunday. I definitely want to pick up some stuff. I just hope whenever I do go, the store is stocked, because I hate when I go to Ulta and it's like a lot of things aren't there. I don't know what I want. You know, I know they have Kylie Cosmetics there now, so I want to pick up some of Kylie's stuff. I don't have anything by Kylie Jenner. I'd like to like try something. And then the Morphe James Charles palette, I wanted to like get that because I think I could create some cool looks with that. I don't know. So I definitely want to get to Ulta at some point. I'm kind of getting hungry. It's 5:30. My clothes were not even close to being dry. So I'm just making 2 eggs. I don't like that that one cracked, but whatever. And then this one's still good. And this pan is not dirty. I feel like every time I show this, you guys are going to think it's like dirty. It's just whatever is just so caked on there. It's like burnt. So, I mean, this just got out of the dishwasher, and I've tried to scrub it so many times, and it remains that color. So, sandwich thin, put some butter on there, 2 eggs. So, I actually found a mask buried deep into my bathroom closet, my little bathroom cabinet. I did find a mask, and it's by Kiehl's. It's the Deep Pore mask or whatever. But after this is like all I have left, so I want to definitely pick up some more masks. I asked you guys in a previous vlog to recommend some masks to me, which nobody did. So if you have any recommendations, please leave them below, because I have no idea what kind of mask to get. She loves laying in my laundry, like when it's fresh out of the dryer, because it's so warm. Sorry, girl, I gotta fold this and put it away. Waiting for the water to heat up. I'm gonna make some mac and cheese for dinner. Low in calories mac and cheese is. I expected it to be a lot more in calories than it actually is, like 300 and something, so I still have calories. I feel better eating healthier. It's not even just like how I look. I mean, I could definitely see it, but it's just how I feel. Physically, I have more energy, and just, even though I'm tired right now, I just feel better. It's like 8 o'clock. I'm gonna close out the vlog. I'm not really feeling good. Again, my throat is really bothering me, so I think I'm just gonna edit the vlog and get to bed early. Hopefully I feel better tomorrow. It's kind of like on and off. I really don't get it. It feels like a cold, but it's not like as extreme as a cold, so it kind of feels like allergies, but I don't know. I'm just tired, achy, and my throat is just like congested. It feels like I don't really know. It's really irritating, but going to close out day 7, and I will see you guys very soon in day 8. Mwah. Bye, guys.